Hi and welcome to Crypto Weeklies. My name is Josh. Today we'll be talking about Polkadot and its token DOT. Let's today focus on one key thing, which is first of all that Polkadot's one of the parachain has been partnering with Deloitte. You can see that over here, Polkadot partners with Deloitte, and there are a lot of bullish surge due to that news. Uh, just focusing back on the price action, right now DOT is coming in at $6.32. Before we delve too much into Polkadot and its token DOT's technical and AI based forecast, we will briefly check what is happening in the overall crypto market. The performance since year to date for Bitcoin has been up by 163%. Ethereum is up by 98%, XRP up by 91%, Solana being a rock star up by almost 638%, Cardano up by 107%, Doge up by merely 40%, AVAX up by 151%, Link up by 193%, and today's crypto that we are going to talk about is Polkadot, and it's up by 46 or 47% over here. Matic is up by barely 15%. So let's first of all do a brief scan of how Polkadot is featuring against the other competitors. So DOT is a smart contract platform, a layer 0. Although it competes with other competing layer ones. The top of the list is Ethereum with price at around $2,366. Market cap is around 285 billion. Then followed by BNB, which is a almost 35 billion crypto. Then the third spot is Solana. Today it is above 30 billion. Then Cardano and its token ADA. 17 billion, AVAX at coming in at almost 10 billion, then Tron at 9.5 billion, and then at the seventh place is Polkadot and its token DOT at 8 billion, almost 8 billion market cap. Volume is a healthy volume of around 280 million. The circulating supply is 1.26 billion. So this is a brief overview, and you can check the relative valuation of the or the performance of major smart contract platform with respect to certain key time periods, such as performance over the week or the month or the last 3 months, 6 months, and year to date. And a notable mention is again for the last 3 months, if we focus on that, because that's when the major crypto rallies began. DOT has been up by 40%, but it's not as rallying as much as some of the other names, such as Cardano, AVAX, and Solana. It's keeping pace with Ethereum at around 45 to 50%. So that's a brief coin screening related session that we have based on our data analytics. Let's go to the TA for DOT. DOT right now is at the price is at $6.33. From its all-time high, there was in 2021 at around 53 to $55. The token is down by about 93% over here, and the all-time high was at around $54. And if you compare the performance in terms of retracement of Fibonacci levels, the performance is still below the 0.23 fib level, which will be at $15. It's almost more than 2x from where DOT is currently at $6.30. And also the token is not above its 100-week moving average. For context, if you compare with BTC, it's well above its 100-week, which is the white line. Even another thing for Link, if you compare it with Link, Link is above 100-week, and also you can check from the perspective of Fibonacci level, Link is at or above its 0.23 fib extension. So that's another key highlight. The last indicator to look at is how DOT is performing with respect to its Bitcoin valuation. And this valuation has been essentially down only since November 2021. It has been consistently making lower lows and lower highs as well. And the rally has, if there are any rallies, they are facing significant resistance at this bull market support band, which is 20-week SMA and 21-week EMA. All the major rallies are getting sold at that level. So this bull market support band, in terms of its Bitcoin pair, is coming in very sharply and quickly at around between uh, almost 152 and 155 Satoshi, between somewhere between that. And the current valuation is almost 10 to 15% from where the resistances are in terms of its Bitcoin pair. So this is all about our TA for DOT. Now we'll be focusing more on the AI based forecast. So the model that you are seeing on the screen is the weekly average price action color coded of DOT, from undervaluation in blue in color, and overvaluation in the red in color, and neutral in white in color. We have color coded till 2023 to keep up with the 4-year market cycle, where 2023 is part of a new market cycle. The undervaluation territory for DOT, the deepest undervaluation territory, is at somewhere around $6.30. So this is the darkest color of blue. And then the light undervaluation is somewhere between $6.30 and $14.50. And above $14.50 is the fair value till about $22, and anything above $22 is overvalued. And this is calculated by the metric which is known as z-score, which compares the average price and the current price, and calculates the deviation in terms of standard deviation. And for example, during its peak at November 2021, the weekly average price was at $52, and the z-score, that is the price action, was 2.7 standard deviation away from mean. And today, as you can see, this token has been making lower lows as late as middle of October of 2023. So our AI model has considered all of this price action, and the following are the forecast. For December 10th, which is the current week, the AI based forecasts are coming in at, and this is the base case, and again, none of it is financial advice. This is either technical analysis or data science and statistics. Using that, we are forecasting price action based on historical price. So for this current week, the price action forecasted is at a weekly average level is $6.43, which is in line with what the current price action is of DOT. And for the next week, it's coming in at $6.80. Then slight correction in the first week of January at $6.84. Before that, there's a rally till $7 in the third week of December. Then in middle of January, this forecasted base case weekly average price is at $6.71. So the range is between $6.40 and $7.60. The bull case, which is considers what could happen in case of a major bullish event, where is a theoretical ceiling, that is between $8.40 and $14.14. So that's a longer range, because again, this is something which is a major bullish rally that we witnessed since October 2023. So if that recency related trend holds, per our bull case scenario, again, not financial advice, for the coming 10 weeks, the price action could be somewhere between $8.40 and $14. The bear case is if there is a pullback, what could be a theoretical floor where there could be some sort of support. Per our AI model, that is somewhere between $5.46 and $3.74, depending on the timeline. And this kind of is an interesting level, because this is where Polkadot had its recent lows in October 2023. So if you are interested in knowing the raw values of the AI based forecast, these are the forecasted scenarios and their exact valuation per the base case, bull case, and bear case of our AI model. So if you're interested, you can pause the video and check out the values or keep a note of it. So this is the weekly price action that I wanted to share with you today. Apart from that, we do have another model which is like a longer term monthly average price model, and this is again where we have been focusing on this forecast since April of 2023, and you can see our forecasts are in blue whereas the actual are in white, and there has been significant overlap with the territory we have forecasted, or the trend we have forecasted, and the actuals which are in white. Although the actuals are kind of muted version of or a diminished version of the forecast that we had, the trend is intact. So per our AI model, for the at a base case level, for at a monthly average level, for the trajectory forecasted by our AI model for December is coming in at monthly average of $8.50 for dot. January it's at $10.76, February at $10.80, March at $11.23, April at $7, $8.09, almost $9, May at $7, June 2024 at $6.70, and July at $7.29. So this one of the reasoning for this AI model could be a rally towards the end of the year till March. Then during the month of halving, the attention goes back to Bitcoin, and then for the couple of months, either there is some macro bearish news or a Bitcoin related rally. That's why this model might have forecasted that kind of a base case scenario. So coming over to the bull case, our AI model had forecasted the price action to go that is in December January time frame, to go as high as $20. This is again one standard deviation away move and requires significant bullishness presence in the market. If that doesn't happen, then base case becomes the more rational forecast, because it doesn't have a bias to bullish or bearish side. So the February's forecast per our AI model is at $18, March at 16, April at 17, and June at 18, and July at $19.50. This is the bull case, and the equal and opposite of that is the bear case. And per this model, you can see that this is kind of a conservative approach to what is a theoretical support. Per this model for December, the support is coming in at $5.70, January at $5.40, February and March at around $7 and $8 respectively of 2024, and then April is at $4.87, June May at $4.50, and June at $3.86, and July at $4.35. So the trajectory is flat to slightly bearish till January, then the rally till March, and then crash to about the previous lows in June of 2024. So this is the extreme bear case for dot forecasted by our AI model at a monthly level. So hope you like this content. If you did, please subscribe to the channel and also give this video a like, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Bye bye.